And the latest manufacturing figures suggest a marked rebound in the UK sector after the Brexit referendum vote. Manufacturing bounced back from a July dip. It is now expanding. The figures come from a measure called the Purchasing Managers Index. I've been talking to our economics correspondent, Andy Berity, who talked me through the latest findings and explained what they mean for the manufacturing sector.
It's interesting because this particular index was the one that was really sharply down in July. Just to explain briefly what the Purchasing Managers Index is. In every company there's someone who's responsible for purchasing the supply. So it might be a paper company. They're the guy who says we need to buy this much wood pulp to make our paper based on the amount of orders that are coming in for the paper. So they are at the cutting edge. They're the canary in the coal mine, if you like, if something's going to go wrong. Or maybe they're the lark singing a tune if a new economic dawn is breaking, which it looks like it almost is. I mean, what we have at the moment is a situation where they've bounced back by 5 points. So 53% of them are saying, we think it's good, it's positive, whereas that was more like 48. Now that might not seem like a big movement, but in the history of this index, it doesn't move around that much. So that size of movement indicates a big vote of confidence in the British economy post-Brexit, not least because of the weak pound. Now we think of the pound being strong as good because it holds down inflation. It means when we buy goods abroad, they cost less. But think of it the other way around, from a manufacturer's point of view. They want their foreign customers to be able to buy their goods cheaply so they're more competitive. And they're all saying it has. They're getting new business in, not just from North America, but from Europe. So this has acted as a stimulus, the devaluation of the pound, in a way that other attempts to stimulate the economy haven't.